Hello friends, now in this video I will explain question number 1 from miscellaneous exercise. For this academic year I will explain all exercise from M1 and M2 for the standard 12 and 11. Now let us start miscellaneous exercise question number 1. Choose the correct option from the given alternatives. First question, let f of 1 is equals to 3, f dash of 1 is equals to minus 1 by 3, g of 1 is equals to minus 4, g dash of 1 is equals to minus 8 by 3. The derivative of in root of f of x bracket square plus g of x bracket square with respect to x at x is equals to 1 is. The first option, a is a minus 29 upon 15, b is 7 upon 3, C is 31 upon 15 and D is 29 upon 15. Now we'll solve this. Okay, see this here. Let y is equals to in root of f of x bracket square plus g of x bracket square. Now differentiate this with respect to x, dy by dx. We know that the derivative of root of x is 1 upon 2 times root x. Similar here, this is a composite function 1 upon 2 times in root of f of x bracket square plus g of x bracket square into derivative of f of x bracket square. That's a 2 times f of x into derivative of f of x is f dash of x plus derivative of f of x g of x bracket square. That is a 2 times g of x into g dash of x. Now we'll substitute the value. The value of f of 1, g of 1, f dash of 1 and g dash of 1. Okay. Now substitute here. Therefore dy by dx at x is equals to 1. That is equals to 1 upon 2 times in root of f of 1 bracket square plus g of 1 bracket square is equals to 2 into in bracket 2 times f of 1 into f dash of 1 plus 2 into g of 1 into g dash of 1. That is x is replaced by 1. Now substitute the values. Here 1 upon 2 in root of what is f of 1? F of 1 is 3 and its square is a 9. Okay, therefore 9 g of 1 is a minus 4 but its square is a 16. Therefore you will have 1 upon 2 times in root of 9 plus 16 means what? 2 times root of 25, that is a square root of 25 is 5. 5 into 2, then you will get 10 and overall you will get 1 upon 10. Okay. Now in square bracket, that is a 2 into 3 into minus 1 by 3. Here 3 get cancelled, minus 1 into 2. Then you will get minus 2 and simplification of this bracket. Here minus and minus, that sign will become plus. 2 into 4, 8. 8 into 8, 64. 64 upon 3. Now see this here. That is 1 by 10 in square bracket minus 2 plus 64 upon 3. And after simplification, you will get 58 upon 3. And the next simplification, you will get 29 upon 15. And hence, option D is a correct here. Now, next question. If y is equals to sec of tan inverse of x, then dy by dx at x is equals to 1 is equals to. First option, A is 1 upon 2, B is 1, C is 1 upon root 2, D is root 2. Okay, now we'll solve this. Find the dy by dx. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Now what is the derivative of sec of x? The derivative of sec of x is sec x into tan x. Similarly here, dy by dx is equals to sec of tan inverse of x is a sec of tan inverse of x into tan of tan inverse of x into, it's a composite. Therefore, into derivative of tan inverse of x. The derivative of tan inverse of x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Okay. Therefore, dy by dx at x is equals to 1 is sec of tan inverse of x. Now here tan of tan inverse of x is 1 into 1 upon 1 plus, okay, x square means what? X is replaced by 1. Here x is replaced by 1. Now next, tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse of 1 means what? Pi by 4. Therefore, we have here sec of pi by 4 into here 1, that is 1 upon 1 plus 1. and overall you will get here 1 upon 2. Sec of pi by 4 into 1 upon 2 and overall what is the value of sec of pi by 4? It's a root 2. Root 2 into 1 upon 2 and overall you will get here 1 upon root 2 and hence option C is a correct here. Now next question. Next question. If f of x is equals to sine inverse of in bracket 4 raised to x plus 1 upon 2 upon 1 plus 2 raised to 4x, which of the following is not derivative of f of x? First is 2 into 4 raised to x into log of 4 upon 1 plus 4 raised to 2x. B option is a 4 raised to x plus 1 into log of 2 upon 1 plus 4 raised to 2x. C is the 4 raised to x plus 1 into log of 4 upon 1 plus 4 raised to 4x, and D is 2 raised to 2 in bracket x plus 1 into log of 2 upon 1 plus 2 raised to 4x. Now we'll simplify this. We'll find out the derivative of this f of x by substituting 4 raised to x is equals to tan theta. Therefore, theta is equals to tan inverse of 4 raised to x. Therefore, f of x will become f of x is equals to sine inverse of, and here that is a 4 raised to x plus 1 upon 2 means what? 4 raised to x into 4 raised to 1 upon 2. 4 raised to 1 upon 2 means what? Square root of 4, and that is a 2. Therefore, you will get here 4 raised to 1 upon 2 as a 2, and 4 raised to x means what? Tan theta. Okay, and therefore here you will have 2 times tan theta upon 1 plus. Now 2 raised to 4x can be written as 2 raised to 2 and whole bracket raised to 2x. 2 raised to 2 means what? 4. 4 raised to 2x. Again 4 raised to 2x can be written as 4 raised to x and it's a bracket square. But what is the 4 raised to x? Is the tan theta and it's a bracket square means what? Tan square theta. And hence we have here f of x is equals to sine inverse of in bracket 2 times tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. And from the geometry formula, that is the sine of 2 times theta is nothing but 2 times tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. This you have learned in 11th standard. Okay, the value of this is a sine of 2 times theta. Now sine inverse of sine of 2 times theta is a 2 theta. Okay, and therefore what is again theta? Theta is equals to tan inverse of 4 raised to x. This is f of x. Now we'll differentiate this. F dash of x is equals to this 2 is multiplicative constant. Derivative of tan inverse of 4 raised to x is a 1 upon 1 plus 4 raised to x bracket square into derivative of 4 raised to x. The derivative of 4 raised to x is a 4 raised to x into log of 4. And after simplification, you will have all these terms. That is a 2 into 4 raised to x into log of 4. 2 into 4 raised to x into log of 4 upon 1 plus 4 raised to x bracket square means what? 4 raised to 2x. This is the first term. And if we test all these options, that is for the denominator. जर आपण डिनोमिनेटर जरी चेक केला तरी आपल्याला इथे करेक्ट म्हणजे कुठला ऑप्शन करेक्ट नाही तो लगेच इथे समजतो. डिनोमिनेटरला काय पाहिजे? 1 प्लस 4 एस टू 2x पाहिजे. दिस इज द करेक्ट वन. 1 प्लस 4 एस टू 2x, दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट वन. Okay, next here 1 plus 2 raised to 4x. Okay, this is also correct one. How we can write it is this 2 raised to 2 and whole bracket raised to 2x. Then you will get here again 4 raised to 2x. But what about here? Here 1 plus 4 raised to 4x. This is not correct. Its a denominator is not correct. Okay, and therefore option C is not derivative of f of x, and hence the correct answer is C. Okay. Now next question. If x raised to y is equals to y raised to x, then dy by dx is equals to, first option is x into in bracket x log y minus y upon y into y log x minus x. B option y into x log y minus y upon x into in bracket y log of x minus x. C option y square in bracket 1 minus log x upon x square in bracket 1 minus log of y, and D option y into in bracket 1 minus log of x upon x into in bracket 1 minus log of y. Now we'll find out the derivative of this type of function. Okay, see this here. X raised to y is equals to y raised to x. Therefore, take log on both sides. If we take here log, then you will have here log of x raised to y. Log of x raised to y means what? Y into log of x. And here log of y raised to x means what? X into log of y. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Here we will apply the product rule, that is y into log of x. Keep first of all y as it is. The derivative of log of x is 1 upon x plus log of x as it is, and the derivative of y is a dy by dx equal to the right hand side here. First keep again x as it is. Derivative of log of y is 1 upon y into dy by dx plus. Next, keep log of y as it is. The derivative of x is 1. Now for the next step, collect the terms of dy by dx to the left hand side. What are the terms of dy by dx on the both sides? That is the log of x into dy by dx. This is to the left hand side, and for the right hand side it's a x upon y into dy by dx. Take this term to the left hand side and take the common term, which is the dy by dx. Here you will get log of x minus here x upon y bracket complete into dy by dx is equals to, here is a log of y minus x upon y. Here again simplification, this y into log of x, you will get here y log of x minus x upon y into dy by dx, x into log of y minus y upon again here x. Okay, and the next simplification, dy by dx is equals to, this y will come here to the numerator, that is a y upon x, and again next terms are x into log of y minus y, and this term will come to right hand side for the denominator, to the denominator, and hence dy by dx is equals to y into in bracket x log y minus y upon x into in bracket y log of x minus x. Okay, and hence option B is the correct here. Now next question. If y is equals to sine of 2 sine inverse of x, then dy by dx is equals to, the first option A is a 2 minus 4x square upon in root of 1 minus x square. B is a 2 plus 4x square upon in root of 1 minus x square. C is a 4x square minus 1 upon in root of 1 minus x square. D is 1 minus 2x square upon in root of 1 minus x square. Now we will find out the derivative of this y is equals to sine of 2 times sine inverse of x. Y is equals to sine of 2 times sine inverse of x. Here we will substitute the x is equals to sine theta. Therefore, theta is equals to sine inverse of x. Therefore, our expression will become y is equals to sine of 2 sine inverse of x. But what is the sine inverse of x? It is a theta. Therefore, we will have here y is equals to sine of 2 times theta. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Therefore, here we have, by with the help of the chain rule, dy by dx is equals to dy by d theta into d theta upon dx. Now the derivative of y is equals to sine of 2 times theta with respect to theta is a 2 times cos of 2 theta into derivative of theta with respect to x, that is the derivative of sine inverse of x, is 1 upon in under root of 1 minus x square. Now again from the trigonometry, the formula for cos of 2 times theta is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Okay, that is here 2 in bracket 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Okay, the formula for cos of 2 times theta is a 1 minus 2 sine square theta upon in root of 1 minus x square. And next simplification, multiplied these two to 1 and this 2. Then our expression will become 2 minus 4x square upon in root of 1 minus x square. This is dy by dx, and hence here option A is a correct. Now next question. If y is equals to tan inverse of in bracket x upon 1 plus in root of 1 minus x square plus sine of 2 tan inverse in bracket in root of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x bracket complete, then dy by dx is equals to, first option x upon in root of 1 minus x square. B is a 1 minus 2x upon in root of 1 minus x square. C is 1 minus 2x upon 2 in root of 1 minus x square, and D is 1 minus 2x square upon in root of 1 minus x square. Now we'll simplify this. We'll find out the derivative of this whole expression. Answer is C, but how it is? Now see this here. Y is equals to tan inverse in bracket x upon 1 plus in root of 1 minus x square plus sine of in bracket 2 tan inverse in root of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Now put here x is equals to cos theta, and then you will get theta is equals to cos inverse of x. Okay. Therefore, our expression will become y is equals to tan inverse of in bracket cos theta upon 1 plus in root of 1 minus cos square theta plus sine in square bracket 2 tan inverse in root of 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Now next tan inverse of cos theta upon 1 plus 1 minus cos square theta means what? Sin square theta. Square and root get cancelled. You will get sin theta. That is here cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta. Hence tan inverse of cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta plus sin in bracket 2 times tan inverse of. Now again here the formula 1 minus cos of theta is equals to 2 sin square theta by 2 upon 1 plus cos theta means what? 2 cos square theta by 2. Again here 2 get cancelled. Sin square theta upon cos square theta is a tan square theta by 2. Square and root get cancelled. You will get in bracket tan of tan square theta by 2. Square and root get cancelled, and overall you will get here tan of theta by 2. Okay. Now next, this cos of theta can be written as sine of pi by 2 minus theta, and sine theta can be written as cos of pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, and hence the expression tan inverse of in bracket sine of pi by 2 minus theta upon 1 plus cos of pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, now the next plus sine of in bracket 2 tan inverse of tan of theta by 2. Again, sine of pi by 2 minus theta can be written as, what is the sine theta? Sine theta means what? 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Similarly here, that is the sine of pi by 2 minus theta is nothing but 2 sine of whatever this angle divided by 2. Means what? 2 sine of pi by 4 minus theta by 2 into cos of pi by 4 minus theta by 2 using the formula. What is the formula for sine of 2x? Sine of 2x means what? 2 sin x into cos x. Similarly here, that is the sine of pi by 2 minus theta is nothing but 2 sine of pi by 4 minus theta by 2 into cos of pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Again next, what is the 1 plus cos x? 1 plus cos x means what? 2 cos square, whatever the angle divided by 2. Similarly here, 1 plus cos of pi by 2 minus theta is nothing but the 2 cos square, this angle divided by 2. Then you will get here pi by 2 minus pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Okay, now the next, tan inverse of tan of theta by 2. Tan inverse of tan of theta by 2 is nothing but the theta by 2. 2 into theta by 2. This 2 will get cancelled, and overall you will get here sine of theta. Now see this here. Y is equals to again tan inverse of here cos of pi by 4 minus theta by 2 and cos of pi by 4 minus theta by 2, one term get cancelled. 2 get cancelled, and overall you will get here sine of pi by 4 minus theta by 2 upon cos of pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Then you will get tan of pi by 4 minus theta by 2 plus sine theta. Okay. Now tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 minus theta by 2 is nothing but pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Again, this sine theta can be written as in root of 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. Now here pi by 4. This theta means what? Cos inverse of x. It's a theta by 2, and hence we have here 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 cos inverse of x. Theta means what? Cos inverse of x plus in root of, what is the cos theta? Cos theta is a x. Therefore, in root of 1 minus x square. This is y is equals to, now differentiate this with respect to x. Therefore, dy by dx, derivative of pi by 4 is 0, 1 upon 2, it's a multiplicative constant, and derivative of cos inverse of x minus in root of 1 minus x square plus derivative of in root of 1 minus x square, that is 1 upon 2 in root of 1 minus x square into derivative of 1 minus x square. the derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of minus x square is a minus 2x. Okay, and the next simplification here, this minus and minus that will become plus, that is 1 upon 2 in root of 1 minus x square. Okay, again here 2 get cancelled, you will get here minus x upon in root of 1 minus x square. Here is a 1 upon 2 in root of 1 minus x square minus x upon in root of 1 minus x square, and after simplification, that is multiplied to this expression numerator denominator by 2, then you will get denominator same, means what, 2 in root of 1 minus x square, and to the numerator you will get 1 minus 2x, and hence dy by dx is equals to 1 minus 2x upon 2 in root of 1 minus x square, and hence option C is correct here. Now next question. If y is a function of x and log of x plus y is equals to 2 into x into y, then the value of y dash of 0. Okay. Now first option, A is a 2, B is 0, C is minus 1, D is 1. Okay. Now see this here. We'll find out the y dash of 0. Log of x plus y is equals to 2xy. We have given here. For we will find out the y dash of 0, means what, at x is equals to 0, what is the value of y. x जर 0 असेल तर आपण इथे y ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करणार. log of x plus y is equals to 2 into x into y. Replace here x by 0, then you will get here log of 0 plus y. Log of 0 plus y means what, log of y, and here 2 into x is 0, 0 into y, overall you will get here 0, that is a log of y is equals to 0. As log of y is equals to 0 means what, the value of y is 1. Okay, and here we have here x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 1. Now differentiate this expression with respect to x. What's the derivative of log of x plus y? It's a 1 upon x plus y into derivative of x is 1 and derivative of y is a y dash is equals to 2 into x into y. 2 is a multiplicative constant. Now the derivative of here, keep x as it is, derivative of y is a y dash. For the next term, keep y as it is and derivative of x is 1. 1 into y is y. Okay. And hence we collect the terms of y dash. इथे multiplication करणार 1 upon x plus y into 1. Okay. Then take this term to the right hand side. It will become here 1 upon minus 1 upon x plus y. Next 1 upon x plus y into y dash. And here 2 x into y dash. Take this whole term to the left hand side. Take y dash as a common, and then in bracket you will get here 1 upon x plus y minus 2x bracket complete into y dash is equals to here 2 into y and 1 upon x plus y. From here it is a minus 1 upon x plus y, and hence next simplification is important. Here 1 upon x plus y minus 2x. What about the simplification of this? 1 minus 2x into x plus y upon x plus y bracket complete into y dash is equals to 2y in bracket x plus y minus 1 upon x plus y. From the both sides, the denominator term is common, that is x plus y, and hence y dash is equals to. What about here? इथे किती आलेलं असणार आहे 1 minus 2x in bracket x plus y. हे न्यूमरेटर टर्म इकडे डिनोमिनेटरला जाणार आणि इकडचं टर्म ॲज इट इज जसं तसं राहणार, दॅट इज अ 2y into in bracket x plus y minus 1. हे ॲज इट इज इथे राहणार. दोघांचे डिनोमिनेटरला काय काय येणार आहे, x plus y, that will get cancelled from the both sides. Hence y dash is equals to 2y in bracket x plus y minus 1 upon 1 minus 2x in bracket x plus y. Now we have the values of x and y. X is equals to 0 and y is equals to 1. Substitute here, x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 1. If we substitute y is equals to 1 here, x is equals to 0. Overall, you will get here 2 minus 1 to the numerator. And what about the denominator? That is 1 minus 2 into 0 and hold this bracket, that will become 0. Therefore, you will get here 1, 2 minus 1, that is a 1 upon 1. And overall, y dash at x is equals to 0 is a 2 minus 1 upon 1 minus 0, and that's equals to 1. and hence option D is the correct here. Now next, if G is the inverse of f and f dash of x is equals to 1 upon x raised to 7, then the value of g dash is equals to, it's very interesting. First option A is a 1 plus x raised to 7, B is a 1 upon 1 plus g of x bracket raised to 7, C 1 plus g of x bracket raised to 7, and D is a 7 x raised to 6. Now here we have g is inverse of f. F inverse of x is equals to g of x. G is the inverse of x, and hence we can write here f inverse of x is equals to g of x. Again, if we take f function on both sides, then what is the value of f inverse of x is x. Okay, and hence x is equals to f of g of x. Or from this term, you will get the value of x. What is here? F inverse of x is equals to g of x, and hence x is equals to f of g of x. X is equals to f of g of x. Now x is equals to f of g of x. Differentiate this term with respect to x. What is the derivative of x? Derivative of x is 1. What is the derivative of f of g of x? Is f dash of g of x. It's a composite function. Therefore, we will multiply here the derivative of g of x. That's the d dx of g of x, and that's equals to 1. And hence, we want to find out the g dash of x. Now see this here. F dash of g of x into derivative of g of x is g dash of x, and that's equals to 1. And hence, g dash of x is equals to 1 upon this term is multiplied here. When it comes here, it will be divided to 1, and therefore g dash of x is equals to 1 upon f dash of g of x, where the value of, we know the value of f dash of x. What is f dash of x? F dash of x is nothing but 1 upon 1 plus x raised to 7. Similarly, the value of f dash of g of x will be 1 upon 1 plus g of x bracket raised to 7. And if we substitute here the value of f dash of g of x here, that is a 1 upon 1 plus g of x bracket square, and then after simplification it will become g dash of x is equals to 1 plus g of x bracket is to 7, and hence here option C is correct. Now next question. If x into in root of y plus 1 plus y into in root of x plus 1 is equals to 0, and x is not equals to y, then dy by dx is equals to this implicit type function. First option A is a 1 upon 1 plus x bracket square, B is a minus 1 upon 1 plus x bracket square, C is 1 plus x bracket square, D is minus x upon x plus 1. Okay, now we'll simplify this. Now x into in root of y plus 1 is equals to minus y in root of x plus 1. Okay, squaring on both sides. Then you will get here x square of this root sign. Then you will get here y plus 1. That is the square of root of y plus 1 is y plus 1. X square into in bracket y plus 1 is equals to square of this, that is the y square. And the square of this root of x plus 1 is x plus 1. Okay. Now simplification, x square into y, x square y, x square into 1 is x square, y square into x, that is a y square x, y square into 1 is a y square. Okay, now x square minus y square is equals to, next simplification is equals to xy square minus x square y. Now split up this a square minus b square. Similarly here x minus y in first bracket, in second bracket x plus y. From these two terms, take minus xy as a common. Then in bracket you will get here x minus y. From the both sides, x minus y will get cancelled, and hence you will get here x plus y is equals to minus xy. Okay, where x is not equals to y. Now differentiate these both sides with respect to x. The derivative of x is 1, y is a dy by dx. Derivative of x into y. Here we will apply the product rule. Keep first x as it is, derivative of y is a dy by dx. Okay, minus derivative of x is 1, therefore it's a minus y. Okay, now collect the terms of dy by dx on one side, Therefore, dy by dx plus x into dy by dx, and here -1 minus y to the right hand side. Collect the term of the dy by dx. Then in bracket you will get 1 plus x into dy by dx is equals to -1 minus y, and hence next step 1 plus x into dy by dx, take minus n as a common. Then in bracket you will get here minus in bracket 1 plus y, and next multiply both sides by 1 plus x. Then you will get here 1 plus x bracket square into dy by dx, and to the right hand side we have taken minus n as a common. Here is a minus sign in bracket 1 plus y into 1 plus x, that is we are multiplying on both sides by 1 plus x. Okay, now simplify here. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into y is y, x into 1 is x, and next is a x into y. Now what is the value of x plus y? The value of x plus y is a minus xy, plus xy minus xy get cancelled, and overall you will get here minus 1, and hence 1 plus x bracket square into dy by dx is equals to minus 1, and therefore dy by dx is equals to minus 1 upon 1 plus x bracket square. Okay, and hence option B is a correct here. Okay, now next question. If y is equals to tan inverse in bracket in root of a minus x upon a plus x, where the value of x lies between minus a and the plus a, then dy by dx is equals to, first option A is a x upon in root of a square minus x square, B is a upon in root of a square minus x square, C is a minus 1 upon 2 times in root of a square minus x square, and D is a 1 upon 2 in root of a square minus x square. Okay, now we'll simplify here. Put x is equals to a cos theta, therefore cos theta is equals to x upon a. Therefore theta is equals to cos inverse of x upon a. Here we have the term y is equals to tan inverse in bracket in root of a minus x upon a plus x. Therefore our expression will become y is equals to tan inverse in bracket in root of, here a, the value of x is a cos theta. Okay, therefore in root of a minus a cos theta upon a plus cos theta, take a as a common, a will get cancelled, and in bracket you will get here in root of 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Next 1 minus cos theta means or 2 sin square, here theta by 2, a divided sign मोठं झाले, that is a 2 sin square theta by 2 whole divided by 2 cos square only theta by 2. Okay, now again here 2 get cancelled, you will get here tan square sin square theta by 2 upon cos square theta by 2. Then you will get here tan square theta by 2. Square and root sign will get cancelled, and overall you will get here tan of theta by 2, not divided by tan theta by 2, that is the tan of theta by 2. Okay, y is equals to tan inverse of tan of theta by 2, and hence here y is equals to theta by 2. Okay, but what is the value of theta? Theta is a cos inverse of x upon a, and hence here y is equals to this 1 upon 2 cos inverse of x upon a. Now differentiate this with respect to x, and hence dy by dx is equals to derivative of cos inverse of x upon a is a minus 1 upon in root of 1 minus x upon a bracket square into derivative of x upon a. Derivative of x is 1, that is a 1 upon a. And the next simplification, here is a square minus x square upon a square. If you take its a square root, you will get here a, and this a and a will get cancelled, and overall you will get here minus 1 upon 2 times in root of a square minus x square, and hence dy by dx is equals to minus 1 upon 2 in root of a square minus x square, and hence option C is a correct here. Now next, if x is equals to a in bracket cos theta plus theta sin theta, y is equals to a sin theta minus theta cos theta, then d2y by dx square at theta is equals to pi by 4 is 8 root 2 upon a pi. B is minus 8 root 2 upon a pi. C is a pi upon 8 root 2. D is 4 root 2 upon a pi. Okay, now here we simplify here. These are the parametric type function. Therefore dy by dx is equals to dy by d theta upon dx upon d theta. Now differentiate this first with respect to theta. What is the derivative of sine theta? Is cos theta. Apply here product rule. First derivative of cos theta is a minus sine theta. Minus, and this minus sign will become plus, and overall you will get here theta into sine theta. Next derivative of this theta is 1. 1 into cos theta, and overall here is a minus sign, and hence you will get here minus cos theta, and hence dy by d theta is a in bracket cos theta plus theta into sine theta minus cos theta. What about dx upon d theta? Again here a, derivative of cos theta is a minus sine theta, a into sine theta. Apply here product rule. First keep this theta as it is. Derivative of sine theta is a cos theta, and hence you will get here theta into cos theta plus. Next derivative of theta is 1. 1 into sine theta, you will get here sine theta. Minus sine theta plus sine theta get cancelled. Plus cos theta minus cos theta will get cancelled, and hence dy by dx is equals to a theta into sine theta, a theta into cos theta, a theta theta get cancelled, and hence dy by dx is equals to tan theta. Now differentiate this dy by dx is equals to tan theta with respect to theta. Again by the chain rule, d2y by dx square is equals to ddx of tan theta, and by using the chain rule, dd theta of tan theta into d theta upon dx. Now what is the derivative of tan theta? It's a sec square theta. Okay, into d theta upon dx. The value of d theta into dx is here plus sine theta minus sine theta get cancelled. You will get here the d theta upon dx is, that is a theta into cos theta. Okay, that is 1 upon a theta into cos theta. This is the value of d theta into dx. And the derivative of tan theta is a sec square theta. Again, sec square theta into 1 upon a theta into cos theta. This 1 upon cos theta will become sec theta, and hence overall you will get here sec cube theta upon a theta, and hence d2y by dx square at theta is equals to pi by 4. Replace here theta as a pi by 4, that is 1 upon a into pi by 4 into sec of pi by 4 bracket cube. And what is the value of sec of pi by 4? Is root 2 raised to 3. Okay, and then you will get here root 4 upon, after simplification here, that is a 4 upon a pi into root 2 cube. Root 2 cube means what? 2 root 2 into root 2 into root 2 means what? 2 root 2. This 2 into 4, that is a 8 into root 2. Overall you will get here 8 root 2 upon a pi, and hence here option A is correct. Now next question. If y is equals to a cos of log x and a into d2y by dx square plus b into dy by dx plus c is equals to 0, then the values of a, b, c are, first option A is a x square minus x minus y, b is a x square x and y, c is a x square x minus y, and d is a x square minus x and y. Now see this here, we'll simplify here. Y is equals to a cos of log x, dy by dx is equals to a. The derivative of cos of log x is a minus sine of log x into derivative of log of x is 1 upon x. Next simplification, this x will come to the left hand side. Therefore x into dy by dx is equals to minus a sine of log x. Again differentiate on both sides with respect to x. Here we will apply the product rule, x into dy by dx. First keep x as it is. Derivative of dy by dx is a d2y by dx square plus the derivative of x is 1. Keep dy by dx as it is. Hence you will get here dy by dx into 1 means what? Dy by dx. And differentiation on the right hand side, minus a is keep as it is. Derivative of sine of log of x is, this is again composite function. Derivative of sine of log of x is cos of log x into derivative of this log of x is 1 upon x. Okay, and the next will be, that is x into simply multiply on both sides by here, that is x into d2y by dx square plus dy by dx is equals to minus a cos of log x into 1 upon x, multiply this whole expression by x, then here you will get here x into x, that is x square d2 y by dx square plus x into dy by dx, and the if we multiplied here by x, 1 upon x into x, that x will get cancelled, and the value of a cos of log x is y, and hence you will get here minus y overall. Therefore, x square into d2y by dx square plus x into dy by dx plus y is equals to 0, and comparing with the expression a into d2y by dx square plus b into dy by dx plus c is equals to 0, the value of a is, if we compare here with this expression, the value of a is x square, b is x, and c is equals to y. That is a is x square, b is x, c is y. Okay, and hence option B is correct here. Okay, and in this way we have completed first question, that is a multiple choice question. In my next video, I will explain all the remaining questions. And I will again repeat here, for this academic year, I will explain all exercise from M1 and M2 for this year also. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.